So why do we get your height and weight? Have you heard about BMI? BMI, what is BMI stands for? BMI means Body Mass Index. Siguro naman narinig nyo na yan since grade 7. Actually, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, kay Sir Ryan, napag-aralan yan. Kasi first day of class pa lang, kinukuha na namin ng BMI. Remember? Kasi po, para malaman natin kung ano ang inyong height and weight or appropriate ba sa age nyo or sa gender ninyo yung inyong height and weight. So that is BMI. So what's the meaning of BMI? BMI, it is a test that determines the body composition or fats in the body. Okay, or it's a common tool to give some idea of where you are. So here is the formula of BMI. BMI is equals to weight, kilograms over height in meter squared. Okay, so as you can see to my left or to your left, in upper left, you can see the weight in pounds and kilos. So kung ilan ang timbang ninyo dyan, more or less, dapat alam niyo yung timbang ninyo. Siguro, medyo i-adjust nyo lang ngayon ng konti kung sa pakiramdam nyo, lumaki ba kayo, or tumaba ba, or namayat kayo. Siguro, karamihan sa inyo tumaba. Kasi sa bahay lang, baka kain lang ng kain, or tulog lang ng tulog. And to your left down, you can see the height in feet and inches, and centimeter. Pero ang kukunin natin sa BMI is meter, right? So para ma-convert yung centimeter into meter, you have to move the decimal to the left. Bali, 2 digits to the left. 2 digits to the left. So para makuha yung meter, i-convert ang centimeter to meter, move the decimal point 2 digits to the left. So, ibig sabihin, 100 centimeter is equivalent to 1 meter. So, move the decimal to the left for 2 digits. Okay? And your feet is in inches. And feet. Okay, so there are different classification of weights. Underweight, healthy, overweight, obese, and extremely obese. Okay, saan kaya kayo ngayon dyan? So those are the classification of weight. What is underweight? Underweight is a person's weight less than the healthy range for his or her gender, age, and height. So, dapat, kung underweight kayo, kailangan yung mag-gain ng weight to reach the healthy range or the normal range para maging normal weight kayo. So, ibig sabihin, pag underweight, less than the healthy range. Hindi nyo na-reach yung normal weight or the healthy range. So, for example of this, yan, payat siya dyan, matangkad siya pero payat. So, hindi appropriate yung kanyang height sa kanyang weight, pati yung sa edad niya. Another example, ayan. So, si Madam, payat din siya. So, pero hindi lahat ng payat ay underweight. Depende nga sa height ninyo, sa age, and sa gender. Okay po? Next. So this is the formula of BMI, kilogram over meter squared. Kilogram yung weight, yung meter is height. Okay? For example, my height is my kilos is 50. That is my weight. And then, yung aking height is 1.47. Dati siya, kung nasa centimeter siya, is 147.5 Yan ang aking centimeter. Pero dahil meter ang hinahanap ko, move the decimal point or to the left, then kaya naging 1.47. And then 1.47 times 1.47 is equivalent to 2.94. Gets po? Just to get the meter squared. Okay, and then the answer is 17.00, and that is underweight. So, ibig sabihin, underweight ako. Ganon. Okay. Next, another classification of weight is normal or healthy weight. As I said earlier, ang underweight less than to a normal healthy range. Now, the normal and healthy weight is a person's weight is in the healthy range according to his or her age, gender, and height. So this is an example of normal or healthy weight. Another classification or another example of this, ayan, si Billy Crawford and si Bailey Myrus. Ayan. They are overweight dati, pero dahil nag-change sila ng lifestyle, kaya minanage nila ang kanyang weight. Okay? So, dati silang overweight, ngayon ay nasa normal weight na sila. Overweight is a person weighs more than the healthy range according to their age, gender, and height. I repeat, ang underweight is less than to a normal weight. And then, ang normal weight is nasa range siya ng healthy range. And then, ang overweight is more than the healthy range. More than na siya kasi overweight na nga. Hindi katulad ng underweight, less than. Okay, so here are some example of overweight. And then, obese. Obese is a person who weighs much more than the range or much more than to a healthy range according to his or her age, gender, and height. So, obese is much more than the range, much more than the healthy range. Okay po? So, nakita niyo yung difference, less than, normal, more than, and much more than. So, you can classify now the different weights. Okay po? So, I hope hindi kayo aabot sa ganitong itsura na obese. So, siguro naman wala pang obese na niya. I hope so. Okay? So, so here is the graph of BMI. Pag sinabing underweight, below 18.5. As you can see in your chart, the blue one is the underweight, and the normal weight or the healthy range is from 18.5 to 24.9. Yun yung light green. And then the overweight, ang overweight po ay yung parang light orange. And then the obese is from 30.0 and above. Ayan po yung obese. And the rest, extremely obese na yan. So I hope wala pa extremely obese sa inyo or obese. So, as of now, you must manage your weight hanggat bata kayo para kasi kung medyo may edad na kayo or baka hindi na nga kayo tumanda, mas mahirap pong mag-manage ng weight. Okay po? Kasi magkakasakit kayo if you don't manage your weight. Okay?